UnaliWear's Kanega Watch is the first all-in-one, voice-controlled medical device designed to keep you independent, active, and safe. You never need to take your watch off your wrist to change your batteries, so that the Kanega Watch keeps working for you 24/7. This video will show you how to change the batteries on your Kanega Watch. To install a battery into your watch band, make sure the gold prongs are inserted first. Insert the top of the battery at a 45-degree angle so that the prongs slide into the 3 holes at the top of the battery compartment. Press the bottom of the battery gently downwards until you hear or feel it attach into place. Check if your battery is inserted correctly. The battery will sit flush against the battery compartment. If your battery sits above the battery compartment, it will not make contact with the watch. Remove the battery and reinsert. It helps to slide the battery in at an angle. Installation of the battery on the other side is done the same way. Once installed, confirm that the battery icon located at the top of the watch display is showing full. If not, press firmly on the top and the bottom of each battery to fully connect it or reinstall it if necessary. To remove a battery from your Kanega watch band, use the display for balance and the tip of your fingers to push up and lift out the bottom of the battery. You will feel a spring at the top of the battery compartment compress when you push the battery up. This releases the battery, so it is easy to lift out. If the battery seems stuck, it may not be fully inserted. Press firmly on the top and bottom of the battery until it clicks into place. Then the battery can be easily removed. An important thing to remember is to only use the tips of your fingers. Please do not use a fingernail or a tool or anything else to pry out your batteries. Changing the battery on the other side is done in a similar way. Use the display for balance, and then with the tip of your finger or thumb, push up and lift out the bottom of the battery. Replace with freshly charged batteries, and remember to look at the watch display to confirm the battery icon shows fully charged. We recommend that you change your batteries daily, so make it part of your morning or evening routine. An exception to this is if your battery is being restarted after being powered off for a while. Your batteries will need to be changed twice that day to fully charge the internal safety battery. That's how easy it is to change the batteries without removing your Kanega watch from your wrist.